Hey there everyone, I'm Vicki Howell, founder and stitcher-in-chief of YarnYAY, here for the latest unboxing, but this one, my friends, is extra special because it is celebrating and marking May, which means it's our anniversary, and this one is the big 3. The big 03. So I am so excited to show you everything that we have in store for you for this month. And I'm going to dive right in like I usually do for unboxings, but just with a little pause to tell you why to stick around until the end, when we will be talking about the small business grant for makers that we're going to be giving away. We're going to talk about the partnerships of women-run businesses that we are working on, the grand prizes that every single subscriber will be entered to win, and also some new products and extras. It's going to be a good one. So, 3rd anniversary, we're going Aquaversary. I decided to go subtle for this one, as one does. All right, so in our Aqua box, every single month you get an Aqua box. This month, let's see what's inside. All right, so we are going to start with the yarn. Okay, we're doing something that I've never done before in the history of YarnYAY, and that is to bring you 2 separate yarns from 2 separate dye houses. What we thought would be fun this year is, in the spirit of women helping women, we went to 2 separate businesses, one smaller, one larger, and asked them to interpret the palette of aqua that we gave them. So we gave them a palette and said, work within this, interpret it any way that you want. And then we'll meld it together, we'll promote each other, and people are going to get a little taste of 2 amazing companies. So the first one we went to is our friends over at Sweet Georgia. And they created for us, where we got the word, Aquaversary. This is the most gorgeous aqua of aqua that ever did aqua. It is so beautiful. It's a superwash DK, soft, great drape, lovely hand, and you're going to get a special put up that we, in YarnYAY Studios, ourselves, hand wound for all of you so that you get to try more than one. So you'll be getting this exclusive YarnYAY color for our anniversary, Aquaversary. Then we went to a company called Woolen Women Fibers, a little bit smaller of a company, run by a woman who is a microbiologist, so she brings science into all of her dyeing. Very amazing, and she interpreted our aqua palette with this amazingness. So this is a zebra DK. It's a Peruvian wool, and you're going to be getting both of these. Aren't they amazing? So what we thought we would do is, because, I don't know, maybe you look at these and you're like, okay, they're in the same palette, but they seem completely different. Well, we love experimenting and learning and broadening scopes here at YarnYAY, so we decided to create a fabric with these to show you how you can interplay 2 seemingly different yarns to create something beautiful. So we brought in a special stitch for our projects, which are going to be zipper bags, but for the knit version, we're going to be using this amazing jacquard stitch with the 2 yarns to create what almost looks like a woven or Pendleton, don't sue me, just reference, pattern. Isn't it so gorgeous? And I am doing tutorials, so you don't have to know how to do this stitch. You may even see me poking over at VK Live to do an extra tutorial later on in the month, but a gorgeous, fun zipper bag. I love it. So this is the knit project. The crochet project, we're using escalating post stitches to also create a bag with both of the yarn. See the depth that's created by using 2 different yarns in this way that are in the same tone-on-tone palette? So you can see that. I also have tutorials on how to do the zipper. You can skip the zipper if you want. You can do a button, but I've got you. And then, because it is our 3rd anniversary, we're giving you a 3rd pattern as part of this. You will also get a bag that is Tunisian crocheted that shows you how to play with these 2 different yarns using a Tunisian technique. So I'm going to show you how to do all of these. All 3 patterns come in both print form in our full color booklet that we have in every single box, but also you'll get it digitally so you can take it with you on the go wherever you are on your tablet or whatnot. And along with our full color instructions that have been tech edited by 2 tech editors, we also have descriptions of all the women and independent run businesses that you're supporting by supporting YarnYAY. So that's that. So we've got our yarn, we've got our 3 patterns, our 2 yarns, our 3 patterns. Next up, we have another product made by a woman-run business called Anyline. We've got our own YarnYAY tassel makers. So you'll notice that all of our bags have different tassels on them. Here's a little maker. And 3rd anniversary, 3 different sizes. 1, 2, 3. So that's super exciting. So that's by Anyline. All right, next up, got a little sticker. Next and last, we have, anybody that follows us knows that we are obsessed with the washable paper that's big in the textile world right now. So we have done, last year we did rose gold, so this year we thought we would go silver. So everybody is getting a washable paper caddy, and you can see what it looks like fully opened. This gets cooler sort of with time. The more you scrunch it and work with it, it has sort of like a wax canvas or even a leather kind of feel. And I use these all of the time to hold my projects on the table while I'm working with them. So you'll be getting one of those. Holy cow, such a huge, like, beautiful value in this box. I'm just really, really excited. So that is everything that you get inside the box. $35, that is it. Awesome, awesome. Then we're gonna have some add-ons that, don't let the word add-on fool you that they come in the box. We can't fit everything in the box, but things that you can also purchase from our shop. So we will have a limited amount of full-size hanks of both the, oh, I didn't tell you the color. This is the Real Teal and Aquaversary, in case you want to make something larger, like a pillow. We've got a pillow that's knit. It's got little applied I-cord, garter stitch back. Look how cool the striping looks with those 2 yarns. We've got a little tassel action, so you can do that, and that takes 1 hank each. You get the pattern for this free if you buy the yarn to make it, so, or you can just buy the pattern, up to you. So there's that. If you want to crochet, we've got a crochet pillow as well. Same deal, if you buy the yarn, you get the pattern for free, or you can just buy the pattern. If you prepay, we always give you little goodies. This time, you will get, if you're 3-month or above, you always get digital downloads of my book, The Knit Aid, but just Knit Aid, not The Knit Aid. But you also get one of our ebooks, and we are about to launch our Volume 3 ebook, which will have all of our knitting and crochet patterns that have been featured in YarnYAY boxes in 2020 in it. So that's what, like 24 patterns. So that's something that you get if you prepay, get one of our prepay plans at the 3-month, starting there. Anybody 3-month and over will get that. If you do 6-month or above, you also get one of our YarnYAY totes. So those are great for everything. And then if you do the 12-month, you get a 13th month's box for free. So you get those, you get the digital downloads, the ebook, you get the bags, and you get a 3rd box for free. So that's super awesome, right? Okay, so that is that for the subscription box. You can go to yarnyay.com to nab all those. Also, one other thing that I want to tell you about, or 2 other things rather, are a couple of new products. So we've had sets of my personal line of Vicky Howell Aqua wooden needle sets and hook sets and Tunisian sets manufactured by Knitter's Pride. But now, as of this month, we are launching individual, so you can buy them individually. Circular needles, 16-inch circular needles. We've got hooks. Here, you can see them a little bit easier there. These are great quality, beautiful wood, signature color, all good. And then what I'm most excited about as far as new products go are, if you are going to be a knitter and crocheter and work with nice yarns that come in hanks, it's crucial that you have a swift to hold them. You can hand wind them or you can use a winder, but a swift is important. So we are launching our very own Aqua Wooden Swifts. This is under the Vicky Howell brand. They are also manufactured by Knitter's Pride, and we are just over the moon about these here at Studio YarnYAY. We have used them a ton while winding hanks, and so we can vouch for how amazing they are. So those are just now launching. We have a limited amount, but so if you want one, I would nab one. Again, you can get those at YarnYAY.com. Okay, so to wrap up, everybody who subscribes in May will get entered to win one of 3 prizes. Either a Swift, like I just showed you, a set of Vicky Howell Aqua wooden double-pointed needles. So this is valued at $100, $120, and then the grand prize for our 3rd anniversary is a $300 value prize, including every color of my home collection, color collection with Mad Tosh, as well as some fellow Q bags and a couple of other little goodies. So everybody's entered to win that. Super fun. And then lastly, this has nothing to do really with the box or what you buy, but just spread the word to other fellow makers. I have been given so much by this community, by your support, and just getting to know a lot of you over the past 3 years of this business, 18 years in the industry, and I just truly appreciate it. And I'm hoping to be able to start, as of this year, paying it forward in a bigger way as I can every year. And this year, I'd like to start by launching the very first YarnYAY Makers Business Grant. So we have an application that you can get through our website. And when you do that, you can find, it's a very simple application process, but you can enter to receive a $1,000 grant, as well as the option of a live interview with me on my Facebook page, so a big exposure, also being featured in our newsletter for a little extra push, as well as 2 mentoring sessions from me. So find out that information, as well as getting this really just amazing box filled with a lot of love and amazing products, and all of the other goodies that I've told you about at YarnYAY.com. Thank you so much for celebrating our 3rd anniversary with us. I am looking forward to another amazing year of creativity with you all.